Hi everyone, welcome to Storeino. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download your client list from Storeino. You can of course use this list to send your clients offers, etc. Of course, you can do that by going to the orders and then click on the customers. Then go to the actions, and as you can see here, we have the customer export. Click on it, and this page will show up, and you can of course select the elements that you want to be in your file. Here as you can see, we have the first name and the last name, the emails, phone, etc., all the elements that are related to the information of your clients. For example, you don't want the second address to be shown in your file. For example, just go ahead and remove the check mark on it. Of course, you can also drag any element you want here as you can see and put it in a specific order. You can of course do that to all the elements. For example, if I want the phone number to be shown before the email, I just drag the phone number and put it above the email, and etc. So when you are done with all the arrangement of your elements, just go ahead and click on confirm. And as you can see, it was successfully downloaded, and I can go ahead and use it to send my customers or my clients all the offers that I have in my store, etc. So that was everything for this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments, and we will make sure to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you.